Don't Stand So Close to Me, chosen by Nick Ryan. Thank you, Nick. It's our final Christmas shopping tune, and Rebecca is on this particularly interesting story.
Yes, if you're ever unfortunate enough to suffer whiplash in a car accident, be warned. The government wants to make it harder to claim compensation because a growing number of fraudulent claims have been blamed for everyone having to pay higher insurance premiums. Richard Lowery is a personal injuries lawyer for Express Solicitors in Manchester, and he joins us now. Hello, Richard.
Hi, Rebecca.
How big a problem are fraudulent claims at the moment?
Well, I think the headline is that the insurance industry is trying to make more of them than they actually are a problem. Obviously, everybody in the industry doesn't want fraudulent claims to be there, but the insurance industry are trying to portray the image that that's the sole reason for the increase in insurance premiums, which there's no specific evidence to suggest that is the case.
At the moment, though, how are whiplash injuries and claims assessed? I mean, and are there issues with that?
Well, no, I mean, at Express, when we have a claim for somebody who's injured in a road traffic accident, they go and see an accident emergency specialist or an orthopaedic surgeon. They're examined, they go through the accident circumstances, and then that expert, who has a duty to the court, has to prepare a report indicating whether injuries were caused in that accident. And their overriding duty is to the court. They are independent in that to that degree, so there shouldn't be any issue with that.
So you're saying that it's not the case. I mean, why is it then that the premiums have gone up? You're saying it's not because of whiplash?
There's all sorts of reasons why. In the marketplace over the last 10 years, the main change to the marketplace is that one thing called third-party capture, which people might not be aware of, which is effectively the insurance companies are encouraging claimants to make claims. Often when you have an accident and you phone your own insurance company, they encourage you to make a claim. They'll sell your claim on to another solicitor, which obviously has a cost. There's other issues within the same market, that there's question marks about inflated hire charges, inflated repair costs, which also have an impact in relation to the costs involved in a claim.
So how does the government want to change the current system, and do you think it will actually make a difference?
What the government are trying to do is they're trying to effectively say that from the values of £1,000 to £5,000 in road traffic accident claims, that claimants won't get the costs of solicitors in bringing those claims. What effectively that will mean is those people will be unrepresented. It'll reduce the costs for insurers, but it will mean that thousands of claimants won't be represented. And this survey is being carried out which indicate that 70% of claimants who are not represented won't bring these claims. So it means innocent claimants who are genuinely injured by somebody else's negligence won't bring claims, and that can't be fair.
So you think that even though premiums may go down, a lot of genuine victims are going to suffer as a result of this?
Absolutely, and I'm not sure, and I'm sceptical about this, as to whether insurance premiums will come down. In the last 12 months, the amount of personal injury claims has actually reduced, and I don't see premiums being reduced.
Fascinating. Thank you very much, Richard Lowery, personal injuries lawyer for Express Solicitors.
Thank you, Richard.